All right, guys, thank you guys for joining me here at the Rolling Grill. It has been a minute since I've done a video. I just want to take a little social media break, but I'm back, baby. And I just want to give you guys a short, small video on a trip we took to Charleston. Good foodie trip, great locations to eat at, barbecue, you know, fine dining, whatever, man, breakfast. I'm going to take you through a few different spots. So, again, I want to thank y'all for joining me here at the Rolling Grill, and it's good to be back. Yeah, boy. All right, y'all, I just want to show y'all that Nana Seafood fried crab legs. Look at that. I don't know what this is over here. I think it's just fried crab legs also. We got some garlic crab legs and shrimp over here. Seafood purloo. Baked mac and cheese. A little douce, a little crown piece, but that don't even matter. This right here is what it is right here. Look at them fried crab legs. Man, I gotta check it out when y'all come to Charleston. Big man plate right there.
Is everyone okay over here?
That's good.
Yes.
Oh yeah, good to go.
Just let me know if you need another drink or you're good.
That right there is a perfect bite. Scallop and beautiful ribeye. Lewis Barbecue, man. Y'all gotta check it out when you come to Charleston. This spot and Rodney Scott spot, home team, they got it on lockdown in Charleston. I don't know if y'all can see that back there. Nice little spot though, y'all check it out. Smokehouse, y'all. Into here. I just want y'all to see how that brisket hang over your finger, bro. Look at that. That's when you know you're dealing with some good brisket. Look at them ribs. There goes the whole shebang bang, y'all. The corn, green chili corn pudding, it's about to go down, y'all. Y'all pick up them hot guts when you come here. Good stuff. This right here is home team. It is literally right behind Lewis Barbecue. Like they are like sharing space. Like it seems like it. Like it's like right behind. So check out home team when you come through. All right, y'all. And now go down the street a little ways, and now we're gonna be at Rodney Scott.
You've arrived. Destination is on your left.
And look at the line to get the drive-through. That's the pit room right there. Rodney's selling so many pigs. This pig truck, stay right here. Pig truck don't leave. It was here the other day and it's still here. Refrigerated. He's selling so much pig in here, it just stick here. And we still in line in the drive-through. Been in line probably a good hour. So. Rodney Scott pulled pork.